Hi, my name is Patrick. I actually came to this summit as a facilitator, but fortunately, I've learned more than I should. As in, the much I give out in terms of teaching, I've gotten like times three of it in learning, because I got to meet some of the persons I see as my mentors. So it was enough experience for me. I'm glad to meet people like Dr. Ope Banwo for the first time. We've been talking online, but this is my first time of meeting them. Ifiok, Sheon Ogundere. So I learned a whole lot. This is actually not the first event of Dr. Ope Banwo that I participated. The first one was what's the name? One summit like that, a webinar online, and it was pure value. So I knew that this was going to also be that way. The value that have been delivered here, I know I can pay $997 to get it elsewhere, and I'll be happy. So I'm glad that I learned all of it for free. Thanks, Ope Banwo. I'm really grateful.